Man. Hey guys, Finn here, and as you can see, I'm going to be opening a Kinder Surprises egg. I already ate the chocolate, and it's 44 past, so I'm going to open it. Man. Okay, so it's a Princess Leia Star Wars thing. Gonna check the instructions. There's two things. I'm gonna leave all of the writing in there. So this is how to build it. This is how to build it. And this is all of the things you can get. So I'm gonna make it. So I grab this. This goes in front like this, and I'm going to show you the last part, and it goes like this. So I actually know these ships from Star Wars. I also have the Luke one, the Stormtrooper one, the Chewbacca one, and the Han Solo one. So you only have 4 more to get. So bye guys. Actually, no, not yet. And I'm going to show you it flying around in circles. Never-ending circles. Oh, never-ending circles. So that's Princess Leia in her ship. And bye-bye.